Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra specifications revealed. The Galaxy S24 series launch is nearly upon us, but the thrill of Samsung's forthcoming flagship phones doesn't have to wait. Just today, a massive leak dropped, exposing all the vibrant color variants of the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and the Galaxy S24 Ultra. But that's not all. We now have exclusive access to the official S24 specifications. Let's dive into the exclusive scoop on the official specs of the Galaxy 24 lineup. Picture this: the Galaxy S24 rocks a 6.2-inch OLED screen with full HD resolution, while its bigger sibling, the Galaxy S24 Plus, boasts a spacious 6.7-inch OLED display in stunning QHD+. And the Galaxy S24 Ultra? It's the showstopper with a colossal 6.8-inch OLED screen flaunting QHD+ resolution and the added bonus of an S Pen. All three devices shine with an eye-popping peak brightness of 2600 nits and boast HDR10+ certification for vibrant visuals. The Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus pack a punch with a 50MP primary camera, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and a 10MP telephoto shooter featuring 2x and 3x optical zoom capabilities. Now, brace yourselves for the Ultra. It's armed with a jaw-dropping 200MP primary camera, accompanied by a 12MP ultra-wide lens, a 10MP telephoto lens, and a 50MP telephoto camera, showcasing optical zoom at 2x, 3x, 5x, and a mind-boggling 10x levels. The Galaxy S24 packs a punch with a 4000 mAh battery and 25-watt fast charging. Its big brother, the S24 Plus, boasts a mighty 4900 mAh battery, while the powerhouse S24 Ultra reigns supreme with a hefty 5000 mAh battery. Zooming into charging speeds, the S24 Plus and S24 Ultra roar with a 45-watt fast charging, ensuring you stay powered up in a flash. Crafted for durability, the S24 and S24 Plus sport Armor aluminum 2.0 frames, while the Ultra model boasts a sleek titanium frame. Rain or shine, these devices boast an IP68 rating for dust and water resistance. Powering these beasts is the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, delivering a lightning-fast performance, complemented by cutting-edge features like dynamic lock screen, smart keyboard, Samsung Knox security, and an ultrasonic fingerprint reader for that added security touch.